morning. So we are going to the most touristy place near Berlin. It's a city called Dresden. So let's see. Let's explore it together. Let's go. We took the train which took almost 3.5 hours, but you can also come here by bus which takes lesser time, like 2.5 hours. I think that's even better. So yeah, let's go and explore the city. So we are going to Brühl's Terrace. So basically you get to view the entire Dresden, all the architectures from there. So that's our first stop. This place is huge. There's a lot of antique buildings, a huge garden. I mean, this place, I think it would take almost an hour or more to cover. Oh, yeah, let's see what my photographer is doing. So, yeah, just kidding. He's not my photographer, just photographer. He's my husband, Mita.
And I'm flying a drone.
Yeah, so sorry, I will not disturb you. So yeah, he's busy flying the drone. It's too sunny, so we are not very sure if we'll be able to capture the beauty of the old buildings. But yeah, he's just trying. So we are standing in front of Frauenkirche. It's called Lady Church.
Yeah, this was destroyed in World War II and it was reconstructed. It has the largest, one of the largest tombs in Europe.
I think most of the monuments here were destroyed during World War II, right?
Yeah. This was one of the major industrial hub of Germany was Dresden. Everything was very important within the city.
You can go here. I think it's bakery and there will be coffee and tea. So beautiful, but look at the color. They're all very blackish, right? Yeah, actually these are sandstones, so they become black with course of time. So just a layer. Underneath there's vibrant color. Yeah, we wanted to go to the palace, the castle, but we couldn't go inside as the historic Green World tickets were sold out.
Yeah.
Due to holiday season, right?
Yeah, too many tourists.
Too many tourists, yeah.
We have other plans. Let's go to Zwinger.
We found a very cute open garden place. And look at the view. So after lunch, we're just exploring not so touristy places, like little away from the super touristy places. So we are done exploring Dresden. It's time to go back to Berlin. We have to catch our train in 10 minutes. So that's all from today. Please like, share and comment what did you like about Dresden. And also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.